I don't see. I don't sit there. Somebody sitting.
You know what I mean?
No, I'm in shock. I didn't expect the room to be this full.
So pleased to have you today, Vinka. It's really a big honor to see you today. I think we had a program to see you before, but we couldn't find ways. Naye, Lero, we are so happy to have you today, and it's really amazing. Guys, those are... So today, I don't know, with our boss, sir, Mr. Benon. We're so happy to see you today. I think I don't know if you have been seeing us, but we're so happy that finally and to pitch our idea to you guys. And apparently, to pitching the same idea. We have collected over 2,000 petitions all over campuses, here and there, media, and people are really asking. And because we have been pushing since, and comment section is wild, and Chituta will say at this point. So today we are basically here to ask and twagala next stage. Twagala next tukoyo kubanga tukole ebintu tutambule nebabuza naye agenda tuddamu oba. So today we are just here for our response basically.
We just want our answer.
Vinka Ju? Vinka Ju? The concert Ju? Ju!
Oh God. So Nalava, I saw your TikTok. Ningamba. Then I saw again. I'm like, but now I'm really serious. Like it was funny. It was like a joke at first, and then I don't know who should answer that.
Ka pressure kabadde ka pressuring.
Ka pressure persistent soul.
Yeah. Okay. First of all, good morning. Jagalo kuba welcoming. Wano. Tubadde tubalaba. But over the years, wabadenga wera, you know, abatuteka ku pressure. And it's not that jote twagala, naffe tuba twagala, but omukyalo ono omulaba nga ali ize naye waliwo ebintu byabayagala at a certain level, at certain osegera. So nga we didn't feel we'll be in the right position okukikuba mu ngeri gyakyagalamu. Yeah, like she said, you know, you guys started a movement, and she was like, you know what, I think let's start looking into this. Kubanga. Yeah. And you know, we've started doing the groundwork. So I can't give you more details, unfortunately, because pressure nafe so that tunaba kugira bulungi. But very soon we'll be communicating a date. So to answer you, we are committing to a Vinka concert. Yeah, so we will communicate venue and date really soon. Kuba amasimu gata
Big video. Vinka concert Jew. This year Jew. And we got Jew. Beautiful ladies Jew. Beautiful ladies Jew.
Yeah, so at least to betu sobodde okale okuyita mune the conversations we've been having over the years. I'm sure this is going to be one of the biggest concerts in terms of production. Ate omukyala ennyimba zirina so tugenda kubanga tunyumirwa bunyumizi. Tugenda kiteekamu time kifumbe bulungi. So yeah, tuba bagamba batya tuba when we put out the dates ne venue, please come through, come support this lady right here. She has put in the work. I think she deserves it. Naye just to set the record straight. Omanyi walona now obera ku TikTok mwana abo tebagala banange tuba twagala n'okubasinga naye oluusi ebitu betwagala n'engeri gye tuba tubyagalamu you have to be realistic. Waliwo obeera awo nga oyakununa ice cream naye nga budget yo ya kulukuluba. Yeah, so we feel the time is right. Era kitukoze bulungi kuba ka pressure kano tubadde tetulina ngeri gye tujja kazikiza ndowooza. Akaliro kachajja. So kati I think officially tujja kwogera ne manager eno egenda okuba tiimu yaffe etuyambeko okusindika ekintu.
Full household.
Yeah, but thank you so much. Though it's pressure na bichi, but I know that it comes from a good place. And it's all love, and we appreciate it. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala bannange. N'amawulire abasobodde okujja ba bloggers from different places. Thank you for taking the time. We don't take these things lightly. We appreciate everyone here.
I'm overwhelmed. Thank you.
Mulaba byemuleese. But yeah, Bambi, thank you so much. Tukifumba. Tugenda kifumba. Let's do our best. And I'm sure kijatambula bulungi. Mwebale nnyo. Mwebale ddala.
Vinko, support Kuchikubo, full household, Kuchijuzo, hello.
Thank you. Name the serious, Pichidi, eh? Yeah, we're gonna go mweba.
Oh, thank you very much. You really means a lot.
No. I think we should do it.
Yeah.
Kasumba. Yeah. Yeah. Let's talk about it.
Thank you very much.
Okay. We're now choosing what I do that mwe.
I could not hold my emotions. Finally, we are having the concert. I cannot wait. Please, when we announce the date, Muje, Banaye Makere, thank you so much. I'm an OG.
And we're standing on business.
Period.
Beautiful lady. Beautiful lady.
I want Vinka them.
You can cry.
Ndio okay. Sema uklabi okabe nokaba.
Nange mbadde situsuubira. Yeah.
Soko tubulireko ekibadde wano kubanga tubyewo abaana bangi bakutte ebipande tubadde tubira on socials naye tumanyi nti bajja kutuuka bajje ne ku kitebe.
So abaana mbalabye nange ejjo bangambye the Makere students bajja ku Swangz. My God, like mbadde situsuubira beera bwekiti, you know. Kati mbadde overwhelmed. Oh my God. Naye nga mbadde mbiraba ku social media. I think Easter Sunday na commentinga nako nga ndati nembaga ebintu biri serious. Yeah.
Okay. Obulira otya like kubanga byo concert tubadde nga tujagala nafe abantu tujukira emirundi gyetuzenga kubeeza benoni concert yadde nga takola ki nga tasalawo. Yes, obulira otya nga
finally concert egenda beerawo tugenda kuba tubagamba dates mpulira bulungi of course kubanga body of work weri music wali, you know, ate sikola nko Kivulu ntino change so chulika. I have mixed feelings. I'm excited, I'm scared, enyimba nyingi. Which song am I going to do? Which one won't I do? Yeah.
Namanyi mangi.
Awo.
Twalero nga bwana ayogera nakugamba emyaka omaze mingi mu industry n'omugamba akikomye.
Abatambuza myaka ne mugamba ejo mbadde mbasaba your homework mubawadde.
Mbadde ayogera weza 20 years of Vinka.
20? No, come on. Yeah, isn't it? Not even 15. Yeah, not even 15.
Okay. Bwe tubeera ku Kivulu soka tukwate ku Kivulu. Bwe tubeera ku Kivulu kyosuubira kyo luyimba kirogamba nti luno bwe nninnya ku stage nalwo teri n'omu agenda sigala wansi.
Most of my songs, this is what I learned. Most of my songs zapate. Bailando, Bayusi, Lubala, Chips na Ketchup, Shua. To be called one bite ketchup. Nyimba nyingi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, congratulations. Mwana Bob Gajel.
Many congratulations. Zino itingana nyingi. Waweza concert, waweza. Oh my God. Thank you.
Yo mikale.
Yeah, thank you.
Kati ngamutuuka. Nga bakusurprising emmotoka. Obatusooka kulisayo mu bululu.
Oh my God. Banango nga bingi. Kulisayo nakunavaayo. Yeah, emmotoka nagifuna. We thank God. Yeah, finally the concert.
Bintu bingi mukama akoleddewo bisya. Sooka otubulireko ko mu bululu byatambula bitya? lwaki omwami wo teyagenda n'apiiringa kubanga abantu bonna bagwa mu bululu bagenda ne bapiiringa.
Obululu, oh my God, that's a different story. Because siberangako mu bululu, I've never been in that position, but my God, the tension, but it's a good experience. It's a good lesson. Also growing up, like it's a good one, and yeah, you win some and you lose some. Because appealing takes more money, you know. If you know, yeah, ground, actually. It's just about timing. Yeah.
Sente zaako apiiringa bakiri bazikuguliramu emmotoka.
No, not that, but it's okay. Sometimes it's okay, you know.
Yeah.
It's okay. There's time. No one got your time. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Kati kambuzeemo emmotoka kuliko sente zo oba just
Nedda mukwano. It was a present. Yeah.
Nange bangulireyo. Tukolaganye nnyo.
Omwami wo ndowooza akulaba ku TV. Omukyala lwaki tomugulira mmotoka?
Okay, Vinka, omwana omuzaako oti.
Ate gwe nazaalamu abantuma.
I know.
Okitegedde? Kati neesonyiwa.
Sigenda kwesonyiwa. Wala, ojja kaddiwa.
Kasita nzaddeyo oyo.
Omusajja ajja kulekawo tozadde musika.
Nandekawo gwe yamupa. Bannange.
Nkuveeko.
Kite.
Waliwo tweet eyakolebwa Joshua Baraka on Instagram ng'agamba abayimbi mu kwogerayogera mukole music. Waliwo omuntu bwe yali alomba nga wa Swangz batugamba wagirawulirako beeyesaba ogiwulirako mu
anti simanyi gwe yali alumba
bagamba azaawe
baani olaba
abaana bonna ku social.
So listen, mwe aba media mujja ekintu ku social media ne mukikyusa ne mukipiininga ku muntu, and yet that question ky'obuuziza you should ask Joshua since he's the one that put out the tweet. Sinze oba azaawe baani, so mwina mubuuza wali ogamba ani sinze really. Yeah, nze olaba mbeera mu studio nkola ebinkwatako because I mean that's what I'm about. Yeah, yes.
Okay. Thank you. Well, tulina kibuuzo.